Your pet leaves fur wherever he goes, and it's impossible to clean when it gets on your clothes. You try tape rollers to clean your seat, but to get it all off, you need sheet after sheet. Not anymore! Introducing the Hurricane Fur Wizard, an all-new extra-large lint brush that picks up fur and lint with ease. Then cleans up instantly with the self-cleaning base. Fur Wizard is faster because of the double-sided action. It cleans up twice as much in half the time of other lint brushes. Plus, cleanup's a breeze. With just one dip, both sides are cleaned up quick. Watch again as Fur Wizard quickly and easily gets the mess left behind from shedding pets. Then back into the base to clean the face, and it's ready again to put lint in its place. The secret is the thousands of micro bristles that act like fingers grabbing every last piece of fur or fuzz. Then the self-cleaning base uses its own micro bristles to brush Fur Wizard clean. And just remove the base clip to empty. So now you can pick up what you can't see from a pillow filled with fur. Or sweep your furry friend's mess from your blankets and sheets. Even clean up the bed where he's supposed to sleep. Regular lint brushes are hard to clean, but with just a dip, Fur Wizard cleans up quick. So clean the lint off your pants with ease. Even tidying up your car seats becomes a breeze. Heavy vacuums are such a nuisance, but Fur Wizard's quick for so many uses. Look, a tape roller needs so many sheets to clean this sofa, while just a few swipes of Fur Wizard easily cleans the entire surface. No refills are ever needed. Use it over and over again. Get your Hurricane Fur Wizard with the self-cleaning base today.